This is Amanda. You might have noticed that I changed the name of my channel to Amanda C. Southern. I just think it fits me better. I'm a Southern girl. I wanted to put a name with my face. And I would also like to say I'm very grateful to all my loyal subscribers. Just wanted to cover that. I have been ordering all of these subscription boxes, and I never get what I want. So I decided to go on Zulily and order stuff for myself. I want to see if I like that any better. Let's get in these boxes. This is my Zulily box. I don't even remember what I ordered, y'all, but I'm just hoping I like it better than Stitch Fix, because if y'all saw my last video on that, they sent me a $30 gift card to HelloFresh. I guess they're trying to tell me I need to cook. I ain't cooking. Okay, the first thing I got, I ordered some shorts because in the South, it gets warm here early. We've already seen close to 80 degrees in February. These are called Mia and Moss. And they kind of have like a little stripe. And I'll try those on for y'all in a minute. I think they're cute, don't y'all? I think these are capris that I ordered. The only thing about Zulily is sometimes you have to wait a while to get your stuff. These are supposed to be capris, I think. But anyway, I'll try them on and I'll see if I like them. I got this for my husband. I got to see if it's big enough, because he's kind of a big fella. Oh yeah. He likes the old country singers, so I got him this. Isn't it cute? Got a pair of sandals that I ordered. I was looking for some comfy sandals. These feel really comfortable. Now, I don't know if I can show y'all my feet because I ain't done my toenails yet, but let me try on these other things and see if we like those. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're really cute. I'm just not sure about that. I thought they were skinnies, but they're a little loose at the bottom. But maybe when I wash them, they'll be okay. Let's try on these sandals. Y'all can't be laughing at my toenails because I haven't had them done yet. Let's see here. They're not, they're okay. I don't know. Can roll these babies up or not. That looks stupid. I like how they fit up here, but at the bottom of the legs, I don't know. But I have some more ordered, so I might send these back and wait on the other ones to get in. Let me try on the shorts. I really like these shorts. They're stretchy, they're comfortable. I didn't have to squeeze to put them on. They're not too short, I don't think. Y'all tell me your thoughts. See, they're not too tight. Now this shirt's too long to wear with them, but anyway. Okay, so that was my first order from Zulily. And I have to say, I like the items better than I get from Stitch Fix. They were not as expensive. And I'm sorry I don't have the prices, but I don't think I paid over $20 per piece, if that. Like I said, I have more orders coming from Zulily. That's the thing about Zulily. Like, you place an order, that company has to ship it to Zulily, then Zulily ships it to you. But if you order your stuff ahead of time, like of your season that you're wanting, it's fine. So I think I had to wait about a week and a half for this stuff, which isn't really that bad. I have heard of people having to wait weeks and weeks. So anyhow, now I have more clothes coming from Zulily that I've ordered. I have more shoes, or sandals rather, that I've ordered from Zulily. So, y'all stay tuned to the next order that comes in, and we'll go over that. I'm not a promoter for Zulily or anything like that. I'm just looking for a company that I can order clothes from for a decent price, and you know, stuff I like, because I just wasn't liking the stuff Stitch Fix was sending me. So, thank y'all for watching. If you want to subscribe, I would appreciate it. Share with your friends. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.